we good? Is it good? Are we good? I'm so sleepy. Remember, everyone, if you need sleep, go to. Oh my God, Leloid! Hello, Leloid. I forgot what I was saying when I left the video. I forgot where we're supposed to go now to. What is inventory? Is there an inventory? Let's go to the screen. I need the screens. I genuinely forgot where we need to go. So, of course, the frame rate is beautiful as always. Is there a way where... Oh, that clock is also that perfectly on time. Perfect. Oh god, the frame rate is horrid. I am so sorry to everyone watching. But yeah. Oh yeah, the junction. Do we have to go here? Yes, because the... Whoa. That just... Okay. Junction time. Oh. Transition time. I love the little plushies and the little guys. They're so silly. And, oh, junction time.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's rooftop races? It's not far from here, and it's a great warm-up before we get into the bigger rides. Just take it up at Molly's landing pad.
Bet. Okay, purred up. Oh my god, like, word up. Like, word girl. When I was little, I watched some of the episodes. But then as I got older, eventually, I actually did try rewatching the show for a bit. Because it's delight. It is a delightful little show. Hello, Molly. Oh, she's so sweet. Oh. Into the thing I glitch. Oh, golly. Something's gonna happen. With this frame rate? Okay. This is a rooftop races. So, no, it's the landing pad that we need to go to. But I'm gonna look around. Barbecue bacon burger! Oh yeah! I want a barbecue bacon burger. Molly's crispy chicken sandwich. I think they can... Loaded, you say? Indigo's special? Loaded hot dog. Not enough. Get it bigger. Make it a one-footer. Bro, these mascots are freaky. And of course more bird up, obviously. Wait, what did they say? Astral blast. Why are all of them say blast? Why are they blasting? I don't want to be blasted. God, I could eat a barbecue bacon burger. Actually, no. I just had a milkshake when hanging out with someone. Yeah, that was the reason why I had a skedaddle in the first place. And he watched my friend, he watched my first video on the YouTube channel, and he gave me pointers. I don't know how well I can follow those pointers, purely because I don't know how to talk to people. Did I trap myself in here? Okay, let the frame rate not work. Don't tell me I soft lock myself. Oh yeah, and I know what that word means, which is crazy. Please, brother, please. Can I jump on the chair? Let me jump on the chair. Yay! He was telling me more to be concise with what I was saying, because I did not know what I was saying in the first place, in the first video. And now, I still don't know what I was saying. I feel like this would have been like the perfect area for like a little plush or something. Whatever. I've never been good with being concise. Do I need to turn up the audio? Sorry, I just was really... I'm so legitimately tired. Okay. It's hard to tell because there's not really any music right now. But yeah, back to what I was saying. I'm actually legitimately tired. So the second half is gonna be interesting. Regardless... Oh my god, they had a little bar with a little collectible. Can I go behind the bar? I want to go behind the bar, please. Please, I want to gamble. I can gamble. Oh, I did not read any of that. Oh. Okay, let's lock in. Okay, I could. Oh no, I did not lock in. Do I have another life? Yay! Go, go, go! And then up. Oh no! Be careful! Be careful, little guy! Oh, there's one! Oh no, there's evil! Okay, up I go. No, no. Oh, I jumped on his head. Yay! Wait, can I get up? Oh, I can double jump. Boom, boom, pow, pow. Yay! I wonder if like that affects anything by killing the little guys. Oh, I love little music. This is so delightful. I'm so happy. And no. Okay, go, 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 go. I wonder how many attempts this is gonna take me. Oh, almost died there. This is such a delightful game. This makes me happy. Okay, please don't die. Please don't die. I want to see what happens. Oh god, this bush right here in the foreground scared me. Oh, there's love in the background. I love love. And they're so silly. I love this. Can I? Okay. Oh, what the? That was ugly. Oh, they don't like that. Okay. Oh. Yo, I just got shot on the cannon. Where do I go left? Yeah, no, right. I love being off time because my mic is delayed. Well, quotations mic. It's my phone. I'm using my phone. So, I apologize for just how shitty my audio is. Can I see that on YouTube? Oh! Bye-bye. Molly! Poor Molly. Hey Ramley. I was flying through the woods, but suddenly I couldn't see a thing. Oh. Looks like my smoke tree made her crash right on target. Salad? I should have known you were behind us, you shady skunk. Let her go. Nah. I was about to catch up on Trojan instead. Why don't we waste it on scores? Molly, look out! Bro, my voice acting here is gonna go crazy. Okay. Too slow, dumpster face. What? Tater, what did you do to her? I need some new and approved Molly McCup. No, none of that porridge. Stuffing her tearing you to pieces. This is what you were trying to say. I wonder what she really thinks of you now. Have fun, body now. I have to return down the font. Let me do that real quick. No, I can't. Okay. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Yeet, yeet. Okay, so you have to bounce under it like Mario. I love Mario. The Mario movie went crazy.
Ben!
Oh no! Don't get hurt right here. Oh golly. Oh fuck. We're fucked. Oh wait. Oh shit. Oh. Oh. Can I? Yay! I do not appreciate this. Okay, I might have to return down the font because I think I turned it up too high. Okay, well the frame rate is bad. I'm gonna rechange the audio. It doesn't accept my Y input that well. Okay, now can I go? Yay! I found another thing in my collection. Okay, so the audio I can't play anymore. Aw, shucks. Okay. Oh, so I do. Okay. So it was good that I checked out the little video game before then. Okay, my frame rate is terrible again. This always happens. It's because I have 20 billion things. Oh, there we go. Well, oh, my phone battery's at 20%. When it's at 10%, I'll go grab a charger. But do we have to go down or up right now? I'll go up. Where's I supposed to?
This is horrible. Looks like Molly crashed into the ride again. Don't worry,
Brother.
though. Your pal Rambley has the repairman on speed.
Ow. Brother ain't gonna answer. Oh. Let me get up. And let me go over there. I don't care if it's soft lock myself.
We're sorry.
The number you've dialed has been disconnected or no longer in service.
Please check the number and dial again.
I hate how delayed my mic is.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's landing pad? It's not far from here, and it's a great cool down after that exhilarating ride. Just take a down from Molly's rooftop races.
Okay, so now we go down. Wee poo. Wee poo. Wee poo. So here? No, what is this area? Is there anything over here? You say there's some. Are you so? You. Okay, I'm gonna have to go to the informational kiosk later. I hope I got everything by now. Okay, where did? Oh, yeah, landing bag time. Did he open it? Is it open? Is this what you? Yeah, this thing. Ba-dang. Oh golly, something's gonna go wrong. There's gonna be another chase scene. Molly's gonna kill me. Molly, please. Oh god, 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 oh god. Oh my god, wait, we're back in the play area and security breach. I love security breach, actually. I love Sun and Moon. They are my two favorite Five Nights at Freddy's characters. For security breach, the marionette was my favorite. Wait, can I go down the sides? Wait, hold on. Let me out. Wait, can I? Oh, not really. Except at the end there. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna go again. Okay, are you ready? Steady? Whee! Okay, one more time. Just on the third one. You know, you gotta do all 3 sides. Okay, ready? Whee! Okay, humbug. So, okay, that's close. That's, oh. No, that's so close, okay. So how do we, whee! It's probably based off of some of the shapes. So, okay, you're probably star. So that. Oh. Nope. Damn it. I don't want to play. Please don't make me play. What if I guess? I'm gonna die. I already know. I'm gonna like cover my eyes and scream. Oh. Molly, leave me alone, Molly. Leave me alone. Okay. What is that triangle? Molly? Please don't hurt me. Oh god, I don't want to play video games anymore. This is stressing me. This is scary. I see where I am covering my eyes, and I'm screaming. It says that there's a red star. Whee! Is there anything down there? It's a slide and a red star. Okay. I am tweaking. I'm tired and scared. don't want to do this. I don't want to play Molly's games. I don't want to play these games. Green triangle. Oh god. Green triangle. Third. Just keep going forward. Keep going. Okay. Blue. Okay. Please don't jump scare me. I am genuinely tweaking right now. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god. There's blood, there's blood, there's blood. At least what I think is. Run. Okay. So, assuming you're triangle. It was a red star, right? Yeah. Yeah, red star. What was green? I don't remember. What was blue? You're awesome star. And then hurry. Oh, I don't remember. I don't want to go through that again. Okay, fine. Run. 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 Is there anything over here? Because I don't think I went this way. Please don't jump scare me. I am genuine. Oh god, I don't know which way I'm going. That should start chasing me. I am genuinely tweaking right now. This is gonna be an amazing video. Not really. Oh god, 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 oh god. Oh gosh. I don't like saying that word. Okay. Yellow circle, yellow circle. Yellow circle. Yellow. Please don't, please don't, please, 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 please. Is this, no, this is the right way. Okay. Yellow circle. Yellow circle. Then was it a green star? I don't want to play this game. I don't want to do this. Next game I am playing Snufkin Melody game. If you don't know what that is, it is a cute, delightful game. There's no horror. It is sweet. It is kind. Oh gosh. Oh no, they made me do that. No. But yes, the next game is gonna be sweet. It's not gonna be this. Should I go down there or do it? Oh, no. He's gonna chase after me. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Wait, that's a plush. Okay. Can I collect you? Nope. You are purely okay. That just nope, nope. Immediately. Go this way. Fuck. I don't like this game anymore. Why? Oh my god. Molly McCoy can repeat words that she's heard. Don't be fooled. Press E to respond. Why am I doing this to myself? I like horror games, but I don't think horror games like me. Nope. Okay. Okay. So if I hesitate, I'm dead. I'm gonna need to count how many times I die. E to respond. 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 E. And go. I hate this. I love this. I hate this. Ah! Valid. Okay, jumping over. Okay. What was that? What was that? Playing this for like an hour, and then I'm gonna go to bed. And then I'm going to bed. And I'm gonna make a counter of how many times I die to a goddamn bird. Molly? More like self. I love tweaking. I love being odd. I wish I was more normal sometimes. I wish I knew how to communicate more normally. That's my biggest issue, is communication and talking. Like expressing myself and my emotion. Good W. But, you know, this is also fun. Okay, this way. Jump, 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 jump. I love it when my game is going to frames per second. Now go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. I've played this game before. Oh no. Okay. I don't know where to be going. Just look for literally if there's anything like off path, go those ways. Go. Where am I? Where am I? Okay. What was that? I'm gonna make sure that's one of the parts, like deaths, that are shown. Because what was that? What actually was that? I sound insane right now. I have the mic. I have my phone. I'm referring to my phone as my mic, but I'm having my phone right in front of my mouth. What was that? Remember, people, hydrate. Water is very important. It helps with your skin. It helps with your health. It helps with everything. It's a delightful thing. But also make sure not to overhydrate, and make sure to have your electrolytes. Okay, can I just wait a second? No, actually, let's go with the low frame rate. Oh, never mind. I am unironically losing my mind. Where do I go? Do I have to go forward? Where do I go? Also try not to yell. Where do I go? Like, seriously, the amount of bleach this place... I'm assuming it's right. Wait, is that a... At least I know to get that next time. At least. Yeah. This content isn't going to be effort for one. This is going to be for people who don't mind hearing someone who's losing their mind. This is... Oh, God. Okay, trigger it. Boom. Run. Run. Go. 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 Run. Run. Down the green tube. See, the dilemma is, when I talk like what I'm thinking in my head. So that's the problem, is that I never stick with one consistent thought. I jump. I also don't know what to talk about right now. Like, honestly, I'm happy to do this because I have a bad problem of yapping a lot. But now I can yap. I have videos instead of people IRL. This is saving my roommate from losing her mind from how much I have. Actually, my roommate's okay. I love my roommate. She's a W roommate. Yes. Cole's just actually pretty chill. It's fun. Yeah. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and get the little mask. We got the mask. I cannot wait to go to the kiosk. Yeah. Run, run, left, run, a left. Please don't spawn in front of me. Please don't spawn in front of me.
There you are, buddy. Wait, hold on. This one's staff only. Come on in,
Brother. Go. Get out. Get away. Blood? Or is that just oil? That looks like
Welcome
flesh.
to the Rambley's Wranglers registered room. Here we have plenty of amenities and. Okay.
Brother's losing
Your
it.
facial tracking that you're scary, angry, upset. Transparency is an important part of our policy here at Indigo Park, so I need to be honest about something. The park has been inactive for years. Employees stopped showing up, guests too. The mascots are. I just was so excited to see a visitor, and I wanted to be sure you were given the best experience possible. But I was confined to the entrance for so long, I didn't realize just how much disrepair the park has fallen into.
Oh,
Time. Sorry for the inconvenience.
really?
But
Aw.
I have an idea.
Please
I have
don't be
access to
evil.
the repair documentation in my database. I just can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user. You must have come here because the park matters to you too, right?
Yeah.
Would you be willing to help me restore the park?
Oh,
I can see in your
yeah.
facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this.
Oh,
I'm so
I
excited.
love
Let's
him.
get this place back in business.
Oh, I'm gonna cry. He's so awesome. Now we cut back in. Okay.
Okay, welcome to the crew, Rookie Wranglers Register. Your first official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers Register is to get out of the Rambley's Wranglers Register room. Head left towards the Rookie Wranglers Register security room to set yourself free. Phew, kind of exhausting to say that whole spiel, but Rambley's Wranglers Register is a registered trademark that expired yesterday.
Aww, poor little buddy. He's a pretty little buddy. I enjoy this quite a lot. Is there any others? You? You're looking at the. What? Can I get you? Can I? I don't think so. No, Finley. I like Finley. He's quite delightful. Are you the one that I needed to? No. I feel like there's one I'm missing. I thought you.
Rambley's Wranglers room is only accessible by Royal Wranglers. Maybe one day you'll grow up big and strong enough to enter it. But for now, don't.
Huh? But for now, don't is scary. Wranglers only. Oh god. I don't like how I said that. I apologize to all my listeners. Me when I'm a podcast. Now I have an old teacher who has a podcast, which is I can't collect that. Like I listen to sometimes. I mean, it's a history podcast, but he's a teacher. He was a very good teacher. I will say that. He was also the tennis coach. Bro always had like the fishing hat on. It was so iconic. Can I? Let's look at the cameras. Okay, so you're a camera. You're also a camera. Amazing camera footage. Okay, also a good camera shot. Good camera shot. Same with you. You're doing pretty good. Maybe a little better on your part, but otherwise, generally, I'll give it an A-. Yeah. Flashlight. I don't know. Bro needs a janitor. Poor guy. What's in here? There's something in here. There has to be. Brother. How many cords you need? This is so insane. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. I shall continue on. I shall watch a video on the lore. Are you a collectible? Can I collect you? I'm gonna collect you. Bro, that's me for real. Anyway. Up the stairs. I love it when video games have stairs. I'm referencing a different game, but only I know the reference. Click.
Whoa, where'd you find that? I've never seen anyone wearing one. Pretty snazzy.
Pretty snazzy.
Ooh, looks like there's an audio recording tagged with costume in my database I've never noticed before. Let's listen.
Hey, Jackson, you hear about the new mascots?
Hear about the new mascot.
Think it'll put us out of a job?
I think so. Old sport. And right after we got this damn raccoon costume.
Man, screw this place. I say we get our asses out of here and go straight to Vegas.
Wait.
Aw, come on. They didn't even document the Indigo inventory ID for the costume. I was really looking forward to that. What a useless recording.
No.
Deleted.
No. That's a reference to it's a fan game. Like, it's not 5 Days at Freddy's, obviously. Well, it may be. I have it downloaded on my laptop or like in my files. Once, like, I will put the title of that on screen because I love that.
Ooh, that's a Rambly cup. Nothing beats the taste of fresh Rambleberry juice drunk directly out of my plastic, lifeless head.
Oh. But I wonder what it tastes like. Oh my god, the frame rate. Get it? Please, let me look at the other stuff. Finley! The sea serpent always kind of freaked me out. I love aquariums of fish, but the size of him always made me feel uneasy as a kid. You could say it was big.
You found my buddy Finley. You know,
Aw.
he's really shy. Like, too shy. Like, obnoxiously shy. He's got a good heart.
Brother.
I hope you get to meet him someday.
I want to meet him! I love Finley! Bro, I love the Loch Ness Monster. Anything like aquarium and like swimming, I love it. Except dolphins. Hate those things. Hate those fucking. We'll be bleeping that. 100% will be bleeping that word. But yeah, I hate those. They can go themselves. I hate dolphins. I mean with a passion. Oh, at the surface they're just silly, you know. I just wanna be body a but I hate them. They're horrid. They're horrible. Now sharks, I love sharks. They're so silly. They're so goofy, and they're just. I love sharks. Dolphins suck. I love the sea. I love the Loch Ness Monster especially. And I love Finley! Okay. Let's see what type of X's Rambly and the Lloyd are.
Lloyd.
Hold on.
Ew, Lloyd.
Brother. They are so X's. They are so K. Like, not to be stereotypical, but they are so fruity. Like Lloyd? I know it's Lloyd. I don't care. He's a theater major? Did you hear about how he started? Bro was flamboyant and fruity. Him and Rambly are definitely X's, because look at X. Also, I want to state, I am part of the LGBT community. I'm not homophobic. But if someone's fruity, I'm pointing them out. I'm pointing out that they're being fruity. I love it when people are fruity. It's so fruity. I'm gonna cut this out. Editor, myself, future me. I don't know. Hold on. Are we? Oh! This is us talking to us, I think. Well, let's do it.
Congratulations! You found me! Don't I look adorable?
I mean, he is adorable. But bro, come on, man. Come on.
Like a
Aw.
yard sale.
Yard sale. And then, hello, Benny and the Ink Machine. Retro the Lloyd Play. I always find it weird when companies make merch that's supposed to look old. Lloyd obviously has an older look in the classic Indigo cartoons, but I'm not sure it looked like this. I guess nostalgia sales. It does. They're doing with Trek 5.
So we're back with Indigo Park, baby.
5.
Yay!
I
Okay, showing up.
I don't like the model style. It's like even just the tiny.
Okay, we're back to playing
Give
Indigo Park.
that man his eyelashes back.
And continue.
Calm down.
I think
with
it's
just
saved
how
where
much
I
you're doing the
last
TikTok stuff stopped. And like, oh my golly, babe. I'm very scared for that movie. I'm scared for Minecraft.
When the
I'm scared so
frame
much of the
rate
movies.
is 2
And
FPS.
people nostalgia bait way too
Okay,
often.
let's give it a
nowadays.
second
Like,
to,
why
like,
aren't there
process
any original IPs? Like,
and know that
what was it?
it's
Elemental.
now being played.
Yeah, that was so cute. Like people were hating on it, but it was so cute and awesome. And it's like it's original story, original idea. Even some other things like Centaur World. No one hears about it. Yeah, it definitely comes out as like a kids type of thing, but by the end of it, oh golly, I was crying. It's seriously amazing show. Like at first you're gonna be like, what is it like?
Mr. Sinette.
Okay, bye.
Hey everyone, guess who? I think my computer audio mic sounds better than my actual one. Well, my actual mic, correction. And there isn't a delay, or at least not a big one. So, now can I hear myself? No. Am I gonna turn it down slightly though? Yes. I actually cannot hear what I sound like right now to you guys. Because what I was using before, I think this may be better. I'm not sure how audio quality is, but it may be better actually. We're gonna use this. We're gonna test this because it's the third part of it. Yay! Also, this is my third time recording. Fun thing though, because of this and because I was looking in the background back there. Ooh, can I zoom in on that? Let me just. Ooh, the zooming is crazy. Right here. I don't know if it's recording my mouse, but right here, I just realized is the bird tweaking. I thought that's pretty neat. Actually, let me move myself real quick though, because I am way too much in the way of this game. Hello, I'm all the way to the bottom. Now I'm back. Yippee! Well, let's see how this goes. So, part 3 of me recording. This is all gonna be one full video for you guys. Honestly, I wonder if not having to hear my voice be delayed will help me actually concentrate on what I'm saying. Oh, also, something I noticed, you know how like when you try picking up these little critters, you can't, like you do the highlight but you still can't. That's due to that I realized the people that made the game, they just reused that asset without getting rid of the code for that you're able to like pick it up and all that. I hope that made sense. So like, we'll see one of them over here too, because of how many times I have replayed this. I pray this recording. Actually, no, I'm double checking real quick. Yeah. So like, you try picking up this, you can't, because like you saw the outline, then you try picking up, and then you can't. Yada. Finley. It's hard to see it directly on, but oh my god, it's Finley in Oceanic Odyssey. Yeah, we're gonna be seeing that soon. I cannot wait for Oceanic Odyssey. I cannot wait for Chapter 2. I'll do my little spiel rant at the end. And I don't think there was anything over here either. I had so much energy during the first 2 attempts of recording.
You're doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler.
However, oh, there's a moon. But after so many attempts, you kind of give up a little. And
You'll find a puffer in porpoises, pickerels, and perches as far as the eye can see.
Oh my god, wait, that's a fin! I didn't notice he had his tail. Finley, hi! Oh my god, I love Finley. I love the Loch Ness Monster so much. That's why I love Finley so much.
Hey, buddy.
Oh.
You okay? You look kind of tired.
Time to mute myself for the song.
Don't worry, it's fine.
Have fun, y'all.
Don't blame me for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself. But before you settle down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park?
Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your dreams came true. If you've got some time and you're up for a lark, stick around for the Rambly review. I I'm here to offer my best to each valuable guest I assist. And lots of happy feedback ensures I get to exist. Let's try it. Were you satisfied with the rides? Yes or no? Were you satisfied with your guide? I sure hope so. Do you plan to come back? Will I see you again? Did your experience convince you to tell a friend about us? Did I earn your trust? At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. This place should be, but out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. Till all my old friends are united again, and I won't feel so left behind. Okay, I'll let you go. See you next time, buddy. Please?
Now, wasn't that delightful? I hope my audio sounds better than previous recordings, because this is the one I'm going to be using. I apologize if it's not, but oh well. So, my last little remarks before we skedaddle. Thank you all for watching! I really enjoyed this demo. Well, I guess the first chapter. I really cannot wait for the second chapter to come out, especially with Finley. Finley! I love Finley. Thank you all for watching. I know most of y'all are just my friends, so thank you guys so much. Thank y'all for putting up with me. Yeah. I can't wait for the second chapter, and although I don't like buying games too often, I will be buying the second chapter of this, because I like it. You can tell there's a lot of soul, there's a lot of passion. It's not just like, oh my god, the watermark's annoying me. Let me just, bloop. Nope, wrong thing. Bloop, let's go. I really enjoy this game. It had a lot of passion. It has humanity in it, and I like that. I don't know how to describe that, but it's nice. Thank you all for watching. I will see y'all next time. Thank you. Bye bye.